So I recently moved and I figured I'd take you along unboxing one of my boxes with me. First we have a candle. I have yet to use this, something for an Instant Pot. A lid. And I have this cup. These I bought at Goodwill for like $2 for both. These were a wedding gift. Bud ointment. Bowl. A baby blanket. My hat for church camp. Popcorn bowls. Glass. These were a wedding gift.
What?
Here, take it to Daddy. Another candle. Okay, the sketchbook. I think some of my office stuff is in here. Yeah. Lace, candlestick. Put this over here. Here's a little finger puppet. Bought this in Tanzania. So cute. Little purse. This was a Goodwill find. Really, really tiny. Let's see, what else is in here? Little envelopes. Whole stack. A whistle for church camp. Speakers. Let's see. I have to put this stuff somewhere. A mouse. Little envelope with pretty beads. Some rocks from a river. Because who doesn't need that? My little box. It's pretty. Checkbooks. Money from South Africa and East Africa. Let's see. Not sure. Something. Let's open it up. Oh. Those are like pieces of metal. My Turkish money. Israel, Ethiopia. India money. What else is in here? Pencils. This one's pretty. Okay. This I bought at a thrift store. That's pretty. Old World Design Society. What are these called, Dakota? Postcard. No. Oh well. I don't live there, so. Postcards you color. A map. Another postcard. A journal. Let's see. First time flying Swiss Airlines went pretty good. A bill for college. Office stuff. Jump drive, memory card. Fabric. This was the back to a vintage handheld mirror. Didn't want to throw it away. Fabric. Scissors. Let's see. A mini clothespin. Headphones that I can't even use in my new cell phone anymore. Bought this at a thrift store for $3. Oh my gosh, it's broken. Oh no. Coda, it broke. My little picture frame. So I have to put that back together.
Okay.
I think I paid $3 for it, but I'll have to. Yeah, this is the part that says made in Italy. Made in Italy. I'm gonna have to glue that back together. Some African fabric. Wax seals. What's in here? Euros. Safety pins. Here's a handheld mirror I got as a gift when I was, I think, in 4th grade. Beautiful.
Okay. Okay.
This, you can stick an ink pen in here, but it's from Nigeria. Extension cord. Whatever. Blogging papers. The one and only Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. And the very first Morphe palettes I bought. Those are expired. Kindle. I got this in 11th grade. Let's see. A stack of pamphlets. Basic Spanish words, flashcards, headphones. Let's see. This. If you don't have one, you need one. I found the terabyte thing, Dakota. Let's see, more pencils. Another pen. Handmade. Keep my colored pencils in here. Here's a basket of junk. A little ring I made. It's cute. And I think a headband, a lighter, random junk in this box. I need these because they are overpriced at the moment. Another cord. A book light. Some change. My mom wants a jar of change for Mother's Day, so I'll save that. If you don't have one of these, you need one. It's a seam ripper. And then the best top coat fingernail polish. And that is it. Thanks for watching.